Good morning, students. Today we are discussing the continuation of making of the Indian Constitution. In the last video, we have discussed the path of the Constitution. Today we are discussing about the discussion on important topics. So in the year 1928, Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders drafted a constitution for India. At the Kranchi section of the Indian National Congress in 1931, the leaders decided how the Indian constitution should look like. So here in the year 1931, the Indian National Congress in Kranchi, they had decided that how the Indian constitution should look like. Universal adult franchise, right to freedom and equality, right of minorities, etc. were some important topic discussed. So here in this discussion, mainly they have discussed about the main topics: universal adult franchise, right to freedom of equality, and right of minorities, etc. Some basic values were accepted by all leaders much before the Constituent Assembly. So here some of the basic values were accepted by not only the one leaders but all the leaders met to deliberate of the Constitution. So here what is the meaning of Constituent Assembly? Constituent Assembly, it is nothing but an assembly of peoples. It is an assembly of people's representatives that write constitution for a country is known as what? Constituent Assembly. Now next point, institutional evolution. In 1937, elections for provisional legislature and minister were held all over the British India. So legislature meaning is it is the governing body that makes a law. Legislature, it's a governing body which makes a law and can also amend and repeal them. And ministers were held all over the British India. So here the Indian ministers, the Indian constitution adopted many institutional details and procedures from colonial laws like the Government of India Act 1935. So it can come as one mark. The Government of Indian Act procedures were taken place in which year? In the year 1935. After years of thinking and discussion, our leaders got the confidence to learn from other countries. So after discussion and deeply thinking, the leaders, they got confidence from which country? From the other countries, but on their own terms. Many of our leaders were inspired by the ideals of French Revolution, the Socialist Revolution of Russia, the practice of parliamentary democracy in Britain, and the Bill of Rights of the US. So here these people, they have been inspired by the other countries. So again I am repeating this point, inspired by the ideals of which revolution? French Revolution, Socialist Revolution of Russia. So here French Revolution, Social Revolution of Russia. See, from the Britain practice of parliamentary, and from the Bill of Rights from the US. See, next the Constituent Assembly. So here, now next topic, the Constituent Assembly. Election in the Constituent Assembly were held in July 1946. It was held in July in which year? In the year 1946. First meeting held in December 1946. After partition of India and Pakistan, the Constituent Assembly were divided into Constituent Assembly of India and Pakistan. So here the Constituent Assemblies were also being divided by from which country? India and also the Pakistan. The Constituent Assembly that wrote the Indian Constitution constituted 299 members. So here at that time the Constituent Assembly were written in the Indian Constitution by how many members? 299 members. Even the Assembly adopted the Constitution on 26 November 1949. Okay, so it came into adopted. They have been adopted the Constitution Assembly in which year? In 26 November 1949. But it came into effect. So finally it came into effect in 26 January 1950. So to mark this day, we celebrate 26 January as a Republic Day every year. To mark which days, so we got Indian Constitution in which year? In the year 26 January 1950. 1950. So for this 26th January, we are celebrating as a Republic Day for every year. Now, legitimacy of the Indian Constitution today. Again, the Constitution does not reflect the view of its members alone. तो Constitution जो है एक ही जने से reflect नहीं हो सकता. But express a broad consensus of its time. Over the years, several groups have questioned some provision of the Constitution. But no large social group of political party has ever questioned as legitimacy. So यहाँ पे जो है क्वेश्चन अब तो बहुत हो रहे हैं लेकिन किसी ने पूछने की कोशिश नहीं की in a political party. This is the unusual achievement of the Indian Constitution of the world stage. Another reason for accepting the Constitution is that Constituent Assembly represented by the people of India. It could not chosen directly by all the people. So here the Constituent Assembly, it cannot be chosen by all the people in a direct way, as there are no universal adult franchise at that time. So at that time in the year 1950, at that time there were no universal adult franchise were there. The Constituent Assembly was elected by the member of the exiting provisional legislature. This ensured a fair geographical share of members for all religions of the country. So it was a share of members of all religions of the country because all are equal before the law. So tomorrow we will continue this chapter, working of the Constituent Assembly. Thank you.